The Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, JGSDF, has announced the rollout of its first mass-produced Armored Modular Vehicle, AMV, a next-generation wheeled armored personnel carrier set to begin deployment this fiscal year. According to the Ministry of Defense, the vehicle is built under license from Finland's Patria by Japan Steel Works, which is responsible for producing 26 units. The AMV is slated to replace the aging Type 96 wheeled armored personnel carrier, which has served as the backbone of Japan's troop transport fleet for decades. On September 2, a formal send-off ceremony was held at Japan Steel Works Muroran plant in Hokkaido, attended by JGSDF Chief of Staff General Masayoshi Arai. The Ground Self-Defense Force shared images and statements on its official account, confirming that the initial vehicle is ready for fielding. The AMV features excellent mobility and protection, enabling personnel transport under threat while also offering broad utility in international peace cooperation activities, the Ministry of Defense said in a release. Patria's AMV is already in service with several NATO countries, where it has been battle-tested in international operations. Japan's domestically manufactured variant is expected to incorporate local industry support, ensuring sustainment and compatibility with self-defense force requirements. The delivery also underscores Japan's effort to leverage partnerships with allied defense industries. By building the AMV locally, Japan Steel Works not only ensures domestic supply but also strengthens the nation's industrial base for future projects.